Two men, same city, same environment. They wake up to the same problems. They wake up with the same worries. But tonight, one choice will separate their lives forever. But tonight, just one choice will divide their lives. Same job stress, same exhaustion, same excuses waiting to be made, same preparations to make excuses. One chooses movement. One chooses to move. The other chooses comfort. The other chooses the easy path. He's tired. He doesn't feel motivated, but he trains anyway, because discipline doesn't ask how you feel. Comfort feels good now, but comfort is expensive later. Both feel pain. One feels pain from effort, the other feels pain from regret. Pain is unavoidable. Choose the pain that builds you. No one is watching, no applause. This is where real choices are made. Same life, different discipline, different future, different future. This is only the beginning. This is just the beginning. Tomorrow, the difference will grow. The difference will grow.